I'm just not gonna talk and stay here and stare at the camera for like 10 minutes. I'm just gonna straight up stare at the camera, stare at this monitor for 10 minutes. I'm not gonna talk at all. Porky! Oh my god, I talked. Everyone who's watching this live stream right now, I'm not gonna talk. I'm just gonna stare at this monitor for over 5 minutes. Guys, I'm just gonna talk. Silence is not my style. You guys know me. You guys know me well.